Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can update your headshot in Command. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sign into Command, which is agent.kw.com. We're signed in here with our KW login credentials. Now, when you are in Command, there are two different separate profiles that you would need to update your headshot on. They don't communicate with each other, and so they are separate. You do need to update both. The first one is going to be My Profile, which is going to be your internal facing profile. Now, by internal, I really mean that your Market Center staff is going to be able to see that headshot, as well as any other KW agents looking you up through the referrals network, because that is where it's considered your referrals profile as well. But other than that, that is only going to show internally with KW things. It's not going to be on your external profiles on your website. We'll do that one in a second. So to access My Profile, you're going to click your name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, we're going to click My Profile. And then in here, this About Me section, we're just going to click Edit. And then we can just click Choose Another Image. Now, one thing to note is for these headshots, KW does recommend using an image that is 360 by 360 pixels. So that is going to make sure that it fits properly. If it doesn't fit that size, then it can be a little wonky looking. It can stretch or it can completely cut off your head, which defeats the whole purpose of a headshot. So we're going to go ahead and we can resize it. We're just going to go to imageresizer.com. Again, that's imageresizer.com. It's a free resource for you to be able to resize those images for free. So then you can just drag and drop your headshot in there. Go ahead and you'll notice it's uploading. Give it a second here. And now we can go in and we can enter our size here. I'm going to unlock the aspect ratio and I'm going to do 360 by 360. Make sure it's in pixels here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click export. It'll bring me to this page where I can download the image. So I'll just download it right here. And now I have that downloaded and I'll be able to grab it in the profile. So we can go ahead and click choose another image here. And we're going to go to our downloads and we'll go ahead and grab that headshot real quick. So we'll go ahead and select it here and go ahead and click save changes. And then we'll go ahead and update it on our internal profile or My Profile. So the other profile we want to talk about is the marketing profile. So that is going to be our external facing profile. So that's where the headshot there will show on your KW agent site in any marketing materials created through KW, through Command. So your email campaigns, smart plan emails, and anything like that, that's going to have your headshot from your marketing profile, as well as your website. So from our applets menu, which is this left-hand side, a string of icons, we're going to click this websites button down at the very bottom, the very last applet on the left-hand side. We're going to click manage settings. We're going to go over to the agent profile up at the very top, and we'll see our headshot right here, and we can click choose a different image. We're going to go through the same process to grab that image. So we'll go ahead and download it there. We can crop the image as well if we need to. We can adjust it, make it fit. We can do this however we'd like. Oh, did that wrong. We can go ahead and stretch it. We'll go ahead and center it here as well. We'll go ahead and click save. And then we're just going to click save at the bottom right-hand corner. And that will be updated. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.